welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious chicken fajita that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. First things first, getting ready the chicken breast. Look at this. I am going to start slicing the chicken breast and then slicing through the center, making sure that all the pieces are nice and thin and small. You want all those little pieces to almost be the same size so that they cook at the same time. So here I'm almost done. This is the part that takes much longer, getting all your chicken sliced and cut. Once you have everything on your bowl, add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and incorporate everything really good. After everything's been incorporated, cover it with saran wrap. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. While that's resting and absorbing, the chicken absorbing all those seasonings, we're going to prepare our veggies. I have 1 red onion that I'm going to slice nice and thin, and I'm going to reserve. I have 1 green pepper that I'm going to take the seeds out and then slice nice and thin. Let me tell you, this fajita comes out so delicious, so amazing. The chicken moist and tender. And look at this. Of course, I have my Thai chilies. They're very spicy. I'm only using 5, 1.5 cups of corn, and I have everything ready to go to the stove and start making this amazing chicken fajita. You could enjoy it in so many different ways. And now I am ready to add some oil to my pan, and I am ready to add my chicken breast, sliced and seasoned. It's going to take about 10 minutes for your chicken to be ready, juicy, crispy, and amazing. So here I am cooking in medium-high heat. The chicken is going to start releasing its own juices. We need to incorporate everything really good so that everything cooks at the same time. Let me tell you, once it starts cooking, it starts releasing all those delicious aromas. You could see all the juices of the chicken here. And don't forget, beautiful family, once your chicken is cooked all the way through, add your veggies right on the top. Don't overcook your veggies. You still want them al dente. Look at this. Now that the chicken is ready, I am going to start adding the veggies right on the top. I'm going to incorporate them really good. Of course, not overcooking them because I still want the little crunch of the onion and the bell peppers. Once this is incorporated, we're going to add the corn. The corn is going to give it such an amazing contrast. You see purple, green, yellow, and then the chicken. Oh my God. You could enjoy this fajita in tacos and tostadas. You could enjoy it with rice and beans. You could enjoy it in a delicious burrito. Oh my God. So versatile, this chicken fajita. Of course, I have homemade rice that I made, Mexican rice. And remember, you have the recipe of the rice on my channel. Just go Cooking with Gloria rice, and you'll have so many types of rice that I cook here for my beautiful family. And the fajita is ready. Let me show you how in this family we're going to enjoy it. Some of us want rice and the fajita right on the top. But of course, you don't forget your chili, your Thai chili. And here I have 2 tortillas. I'm gonna make some tacos. On the tacos, I am going to add Mexican cheese blend and I'm going to add some sour cream right on the top to enjoy these amazing fajita tacos. If you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And I hope, my friends, you make it and you enjoy it with your beautiful family. Look at this. And if you love tacos like I do, well, make your fajita in some amazing tacos or burritos. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy these amazing fajitas. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing chicken fajita. I gave you 2 options. If you want to enjoy your fajita with Mexican rice, warm, made at home with lots of love, enjoy it just like that. It's going to be perfect. But if you want to enjoy it in tacos, add a little bit of Mexican cheese blend on the top and sour cream and enjoy your fajita at home. Of course, this is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. And I'm going to taste my tacos. Let's see how this came out. Of course, with the spicy chili. Excuse me. Mmm. 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 So delicious. If you liked and loved this amazing chicken fajita, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying these amazing fajita tacos. See you soon. Bye-bye.